Hello ladies and gentlemen and those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett and for today's video we're going to be reacting to Maybe performing Please Be Careful With My Heart on today's episode of Bulacan University 2026.
Ito na. Next group, Raisa May Dizon and Bimbi Aquino.
Hello po, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Ma'am, sandali. May request pang online classmate natin si Marites Amarante. Ang gusto niya mag-jujuit si Bimbi at si Raisa May.
Uy.
Please be careful with my heart.
Ay, si Marites,
Si Marites talaga.
Be careful na.
Si Marites talaga nakikimarites.
Jo Marichan, tsaka si Regine.
Jose.
Regine?
Ay, ginigulo niyo ako eh. Pagbigyan niyo!
Sige po,
Request
ma'am.
yan.
Para sa inyo po, Miss Marites.
For you teach.
Palakpakan natin, Raisa May and Bimbi.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
If you love me, you tell me. Please be careful with my heart.
Alam niyo guys, nakakamiss gumawa ng reaction video sa Navy. When was the last time I made a reaction video to these two? Maybe mga last week pa siguro?
You can take
Ay,
it,
bakit may
just
ganon?
don't
You can
break
take.
it, or my world will fall apart.
Hindi siya makatingin, no?
You're my first.
Bakit hindi ka? Wait. Parang may laman. May laman yung You are my first romance. Totoo naman kaya walang naging boyfriend si Raisa, 'di ba? Walang naging boyfriend si Raisa, pero yung tinginan talaga, oh.
Willing to take a chance that the life is through. I'll still
Wala, naiiyak na naman ako.
I will be true
Ah.
to you. Just a promise from you will do.
You know what guys, you may not know this, pero nanonood ako ng mga videos nila, yung mga short clips lang ba, sa Facebook or sa Twitter. Last night nga, I was also watching yung mga short clips din nila. I don't know about you guys, but in my case, they really remind me a lot of how beautiful it is to be in love. And being in love is the most wonderful thing any one of us can experience.
From the very start, please be careful.
Dapat lang, please be careful with our heart daw. Hindi siya makaano, no? You know what guys, na-notice ko, hindi makatingin si Raisa ng diretso. Bakit kaya? Hindi siya talaga, parang hindi siya komportable ba? I mean, bakit?
I love you and you know there'll be no one else for me. Promise I'll be always true.
Nabubisit ako kay kananalan kay nadadala ko sa ano niya tawag dito sa tawa niya. Yun na yun, ganyan din siya nung Aldab phenomenon. Ang ingay tapos ikaw na nakikinood lang, nadadala ka sa kilig niya. Guys, sorry isa pa. I would like to focus more on this performance. Alright guys, back to our video. May ad. One more. Sorry guys, hindi ako makamove on. I can't get enough of that moment when Bimbi started singing his part of the song. Nakakakilig. Ayan na.
I love you and you know there'll be no one else for me.
Alaya na naman. Si Bossing may katawa lang, oh. Nakangiti lang sila, oh.
For the world and all to see.
Oh, cute. Hindi ko alam kung parang si Bimbi, I don't know, in my opinion, parang ang galing niyang magpakilig. Sabihin na natin scripted to or hindi man to scripted. Regardless of whether this is scripted or not, isa lang masasabi ko. Ang galing ni Bimbi magpakilig. Kudos. Bravo. Grabe, slow clap. Galing-galing niya hindi pa nga siya nagka-girlfriend, di ba? Sabi niya daw, sorry, I'm having trouble expressing myself in Tagalog right now. So anyway, magpatuloy na lang tayo.
Love has heard some lies softly spoken.
Hindi talaga si Riza
And I have
mapakalit.
had my heart badly broken. I've been burned and I've been hurt before.
Sino nakarelate sa mga tawag dito, sa mga reactions ng mga maybe fans? Tell me sa comment section. Nakaka-relate ba kayo?
So I know just how you feel.
Kakatuwa.
Trust my love is real for you. I'll be gentle with your heart. I'll caress it like the morning dew.
Sobrang bagay talaga yung song. Perfect song choice, napaka-romantic. Nakakadala. Ayan, naiiyak na naman ako. Hindi ko alam. No, I guess like I said, the two of them remind me of how wonderful it is to be in love. Like I always say on my YouTube channel, love is the most powerful energy in the universe. Yun eh. And lagi ko itong sinasabi sa mga pamangkin ko. Love is the most wonderful feeling any one of us can feel. Pag wala ng love, parang wala ng direction ang life.
I'll be right forever. I won't let our world fall apart. From the very start, I'll be careful with your heart.
Teka muna guys, excuse me, mag-ano lang ako. I'm gonna just dry my eyes kasi naluluha talaga ako. Sorry.
You are my first
Talaga naman eh. Ano?
and I'm willing to
I've learned from the past.
When my love is through, I'll still be loving.
Sorry, excuse me guys. Hindi ako fan ni Jose. Pag gumaganon-ganon siya, parang tawag doon. Pag inhampas niya yung mga kapwa niya, EB the Barkads, hindi ako fan ng yun. Nakita ko siya sa background, parang gumaganon-ganon siya.
I will be true.
I will be true.
The promise from you will do.
Isa pa, taas pa.
From the very start.
From the very start.
From the very start.
From the very start.
From the very start. Please be careful with
I'll be careful with
my heart.
Wait. Sila yung tipong hindi naman ganon kagalingan magkanta. Pero bakit nakaka-entertain? Bakit nakakaaliw? Yun eh. That's the magic, you know. At hindi yan inaaral. We don't learn that. It just transmits through camera lenses effortlessly.
Ganda!
Ay, ayan na naman siya.
Sorry po.
Sorry again, I'm not a fan. Yung mga pampas-ampas na yan. I'm not. Alright guys, what do you think of this video? Let me know in the comments section below. Okay, so I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.